Okay, everyone, it's a fresh week. It's a fresh week. We had a very busy week last week, not really on the real estate side, on our other channel, 1911 Syndicate. A couple of dicey moments. Weren't sure if you were gonna get more Real Estate Paradox videos, but you know what? You and we have fresh content for you. Thanks for stopping by. It's Monday and it's a busy Monday, so just water today, no bourbon. I promise we will get back to that as I can get lit with you guys on the show here. Subscribe if you have not. If you need real estate help, 1911syndicate.com. We got all the info that you need up there. We operate in a lot of different states. That's the end of your sales pitch for the day. Today's video is on something that we both get asked quite often, and that is, there's a decent amount of people out there that try to time their real estate purchase around the market, okay? Where the message will go something like this. Hey, I'm looking at buying a house. I'm thinking of waiting, a couple of years until the market takes a dip and doing it then. What do you think, right? And I never advise of this strategy. It's not a strategy that I like, and I'm gonna tell you why. There's really two factors here. One is none of us are fortune tellers. I don't, you don't, and I would debate if even the sharpest minds out there really know when the market's going to take a dip. It's kind of the Wild West, like we're all doing our best to make forecasts and everything. A lot smarter people than me can get a lot closer on it, but at the end of the day, we're not fortune tellers. So we don't know when the market's going to dip. We know historically it will. So it's not so much a if, it's more a matter of when, but figuring out when that moment is, we really don't know, okay? So don't rely on predicting the future. The second thing is this: in the time that you're sitting around waiting for the market to dip, it just keeps going up, okay? And this is kind of the main thing that I always tell people, which is, let's say you wait 2 years for the market to take a dip. Okay, cool. Well, in the 2 years between now and then, it just keeps going up. So when it takes a dip, hypothetically, it's right back down to where it is right now, or maybe even a little higher than what it is right now. You know what I mean? So the postponement game doesn't benefit you because there's the price increase while you're waiting for the price to decrease, which takes you right back to where we are, right? So there's really no point in doing this. And the other two considerations, hey, in the couple of years that you're sitting around waiting for the market to take that dip, you're still renting, right? And if you're, let's just say, a rough average of about $1,100, which is, Salt Lake and kind of nationwide, pretty close to what the national average for rent would be. You're paying $1,100 a month in rent, which over the course of 2 years would be $26,400. So in the 2 years you're waiting, you just blew 26 grand that you're never going to get back. And the other thing would be that in those 2 years that you weren't buying a house, you could have been living in a house that you own and paying down some of your principal interest. So therefore your house is going up in value. What you owe in the house is coming down. So just trying to paint a picture for you guys. I know that we all want to get a deal. I get it. I'm kind of cheap at heart. Even though I like nice things, I'm kind of a cheapo when it comes down to it. So I get it. I'm with you guys. I love a sale. I love a deal. But real estate's one of those things that if you're ever buying a place and it just happens to be a good time, cool, celebrate. But for the rest of you guys, when you can buy something, that is when you buy something. Do not postpone. Do not wait. We are not fortune tellers. We're not going to be able to predict when that perfect moment is going to be. Hope that helps. We'll see you guys in the next video.